Hello! So for our today's video, it will be about multiplication of integers. So as you notice here, we only have 4 different problems. And dito, may papapakita ko sa inyo yung mga rules ng ating multiplication of our integers. So firstly, we have a positive and a positive. So just multiply as is. 5 times 10, that is 50. Next, we have here negative 6 times negative 5. Just multiply the absolute values. 6 times 5, that is 30. Okay? Since both of them are negative, the answer will be positive. Next, 8 times 2, it is 16. Then, isang positive, then isang negative, that makes it negative 16. Next, we have here negative 5 times 4, that is 20. Then, isang negative, isang positive, that makes it negative 20. Simple lang ang rule. Pag parehas ang sign, ang sagot mo lagi positive. Pag magkaiba ang sign, ang sagot mo lagi negative. Okay? So, firstly, multiply the absolute values. Then, if it has the same, if they have the same signs, the answer will always be positive. Regardless kung positive or negative, the answer will always be positive. Next, we have here isang positive, isang negative, answer ay negative. Isang negative, isang positive, answer ay negative. Yun lang, simple lang ang rules natin. Okay? Yun lang. Bye-bye. Thank you for listening. Hope you have learned something. Thank you. God bless.